Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jane, not Janet or Janette. As a wedding photographer, I love getting creative with extra touches to make weddings even more special. Today, I am sharing something a little bit different. If you didn't know, I am based in KL, Malaysia. And this video is going to be unique because I'll take you behind the lens of Jane and Kevin's wedding. Yes, the bride's name is also Jane, while showing you how I set up a DIY scrapbook, aka Guestbook booth for their big day. So right now you're watching how I prepare the Guestbook pages beforehand with random backgrounds like papers, washi tape, used paper and scraps. And I also printed some photo stickers for my client for all the wedding guests to use. If you're curious, this journal is by Moleskine and it has a very thick textured paper that I think works perfectly as a guest book. So this was actually a very last minute request, but I managed to put it off in just a few days. I prepared everything and it's been fun, like preparing all these stickers, scrap papers, printing the wedding related photos, and as well as stationeries. And I even purposely bought this Muji acrylic storage to store all the stationery though, so that it will look good during the wedding day itself. I'll also take you behind the scenes so you can see how I usually work in the wedding. Plus I'll share the images I captured on screen. Right now we're gonna set up our guest book area here.
Muji 有 offer 可以去买东西，这个好看，这个好。
What I've prepared. 哎，小心我怕。你看，你不要开完啊。This is my journal kit that I have prepared. This wedding has to be one of my all-time favorites. It was such a special event, not just because I got to photograph their wedding, but also because I brought along my scrapbooking obsession and set up a fun scrapbook booth for the guests. So all of the guests got so creative. Even they don't know what to write when they arrive. But yeah, they do take the time, like right in the middle of the wedding, they would come back and write, and then they would just run halfway back to their seats and then coming back adding their messages and pictures, and then came back and start decorating the guest book again with all the things I've provided. Honestly, I think every wedding should have a scrapbook station like this. It's so fun. I don't know, why have I not think of this before? And I've been shooting weddings for 13-14 years. I should do this. Guys, if you get married, please get me to make a scrapbook booth. I mean, if you're not hiring me as your photographer, yep, I would love to be there to create your guest book. So yeah, that's me. I'm usually that one person who's running around like a crazy person because girl gotta get that shot every angle if I can. Let's talk about Jane and Kevin. I first met them through another photography assignment, and I also get to photograph their ROM and now their intimate wedding with their friends. They're such a cool and chill couple. They even told me not to worry about getting the getting ready shot just to focus on the simple ceremony and lunch. This made the whole vibe even more relaxed and personal.
Oh shit, right one.
I held off on letting the couple visit this scrapbooking booth to see the guestbook until now. You're about to witness their first reaction to it.
Wow, wow. Wow.
It's the table queen.
Yes.
Yeah, these are the pictures of our relationship together. We're
Wow.
amazing. We're married.
Yes.
Dear Kenny and Jane, oh my god, you have friends who writes like you.
Yes.
I have to admit, I secretly wish I could take the guestbook home to add a few more decorations, but Jane wanted to keep it personal and finish it herself, which is totally understandable. To Jane and Kevin, thank you so much for letting me be part of your journey again. It's been amazing capturing your special moments. So that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you're into artsy, cute stuff like this. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!